Now let's look at how to enable Windows updates. This may be needed if there is an update that you would like to install. For example, there are interesting new features or security updates. What needs to be done to make Windows updates work? First, make sure you have a working internet connection. Second, check that all 5 services associated with Windows updates are enabled. Type regedit in Start menu, search, run Registry Editor as an administrator, find services at the path HK local machine, system, current control set, services. Click on each section for 5 services and check the Start option on the right. WUAUServe Windows Update should be in the manual start status. Start value is 3. VS Medic Service that restores the update center, manual start 3. Do SVC automatically start is 2. USOSVC automatically start is 2 and bits automatically start is 2. Then restart your computer. Third, try resetting automatic updates and update group policies with the following commands at command prompt. Type each one and press enter. These commands will be executed when you click the button Clean Updates Cache in the PC and PS Assistant. In the cases that I encountered, these 3 methods help to solve the problem with updates. But if in your case something doesn't work at all and Windows is not updated, you can manually install the update that you need. To do this, go to the update server using the link in description or through the button in the program. In the search, write the update number. You can download it here and then install it offline. If you know something else useful about working with updates, share the information in the comments under this video. It will be very useful for everyone. See you there or in other videos on the PC and P channel.